Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Welcome back to my channel, all my OG subscribers. Welcome to my channel, to all my new subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'm here weekly with natural hair tips, natural cute hairstyles, and whatever your preferences is in my videos, I got you. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing another natural hair care routine video. I love that I happen to have my hair just completely natural, no extensions or anything on my hair. If you're an OG subscriber, you know that I do a lot of manipulation styles to my hair, and like I said, for the month of May, it's just mostly only natural hair care routines and styles. And now it's June, and I'm kind of loving just only doing natural hair styles because I see the growth in my hair without any manipulation to my hair. So I'm sticking to this for now. So today I am going to be applying this hair mayonnaise to my hair. I've always seen this in the store, just never grabbed it, never used it because I always do a DIY egg protein treatment, and this has egg protein in it as well. My friend recommended this. She says she always uses this and she loved the results of her hair. So I was like, okay, I want to try this as well. And it says treatment for weak damaged hair, natural herbs, olive oil in here, egg protein, and it's basically like a deep conditioner. And I'm just like, I love egg protein, so let me try this out. And along with that, I'm going to be trimming my ends for this video as well. I have trimmed my ends before, but I never fully like trimmed my hair. I just like did twists and then I trimmed the ends, but I feel like I didn't fully get a full trim because I still experience shedding. I still experience a lot of my hair kind of just pulling out, and it's just unnecessary. I know your hair has to shed a maximum amount each day, but I feel like it's exceeded over the amount, and I know I need a trim badly. So as you can see, my hair is super dry too. Still, I did wash my hair. It just dried out. So y'all, let's get into this natural hair care routine. Okay guys, like I said earlier, I've already washed my hair, so it's time to apply the treatment in my hair. Like I said, it's like a deep conditioner. So what it says is conditioner, treatment directions after shampooing, massage, and a generous amount of this mayonnaise in your hair and leave it in for like 10 minutes. I'll probably do 20 minutes just to fill it out. My usual is 30 minutes to an hour, but I just want to test it out on my hair first to see. So here we go. It actually smells good. I'm surprised, but I guess because it has natural herbs and olive oil in there. So, and I can smell the olive oil. Okay, and I'm gonna spray some of my handy dandy bottle because my hair is dry, like I told y'all. Okay. Oh, it's tingled too. Jesus. Okay guys, so I just finished applying all of the hair mayonnaise treatment in my hair. So what I'm going to do is just let it sit in my hair for probably like 20 minutes. That's the maximum that I'm going to let it sit in my hair. On the label it says 10 minutes, but you know, us naturals usually do not go by time frames when it comes to deep conditioners. Like I said, my usual is 30 minutes to an hour, but like I said, this is my first time using it, so I just wanted to just level it out and probably just do 20 minutes. But it's only been in my hair for a couple minutes and my hair feels super soft. As I was applying it in my hair, it felt super soft. So I can't wait to see how my hair feels and look after I use this mayonnaise treatment. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just finished washing out my hair, and I know I said 20 minutes, but 20 minutes extended into an hour because I was cleaning up and stuff like that, and I just lost track of time, so it went into an hour. And that's okay because my hair felt so soft after I was washing out all of the treatment out of my hair. So peep. Dun-dun-dun. And yes, I'm using a shirt. I'm using my boyfriend's shirt because I couldn't find my little towel. So, oh, guys, yo, my hair feels so freaking soft. Do you see that? I know it looks crazy right now, but oh my god. My hair feels so soft, and like I said, this is what I used on my hair mayonnaise, basically a protein treatment. This is really good. I would definitely use this again because guys, my hair feels so soft. Okay guys, so a part of my natural hair care routine today, I am going to be applying this leave-in conditioner on my hair. I have never tried this leave-in conditioner before, but I heard great results, so I wanted to test it out. And plus, I have no problems with applying anything that has olive in it, olive oil or whatever, and it says anti-breakage formula. It's a hair strengthener, and that's exactly what I need. Not saying that my hair is damaged, but I have noticed my hair is dry and a lot of shedding has been going on with my hair, so maybe possibly there's some type of breakage going on. So that's what I'm applying today. So what I'm going to do is just apply a little dime size amount on my hair because I am going to blow dry my hair to trim it, because I figured when my hair is curly, it's harder for me to just see and pinpoint what really needs to be taken out. Because when my hair is curly, I can't really tell, but when it's straightened or blow dried out, I can really determine what pieces need to be snipped off. So I just decided to add just a little bit, just so that my hair can be a little soft before I blow dry my hair. I can have a little bit of conditioner in there. Okay, so I just finished blowing out the piece of my hair of this section, and as you can see, you see the ends. My ends need a trim super bad. Yes, so that's exactly why I wanted to blow dry my hair, so I can actually see where it needs to be cut at. Also too, I'm going to apply a little bit of this oil to my hair. I know I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, but I just wanted to add this as well to add a little bit more shine because it's still a little dry. It's soft from the leave-in conditioner. That's exactly what I wanted before blowing drying my hair, just so that my hair can be soft and not so dry. But I noticed a little bit dry, so I'm going to add this as well. Oh, child, what am I going to do with all this hair? Oh! Okay, so let's get started. Like I said, I never did this before, so don't judge me, all of you natural girls, in the comments. Y'all be going crazy. Don't judge me. Okay, so what about 4 sections? Okay, let's go with the go-to 4 section. once I trimmed it, because before, and especially if I use a comb like this, you can really tell the tension in my hair and it's harder to comb. So I love how easy it is to comb my hair. So it still needs a little bit of work, but there you go. Looks way better than it did before. So yes, so you can tell the difference with this side as well. You see that tension there, how it's hard to comb through my hair, maneuver through my hair, and you see those little straggly little ends. So this side versus that side. Like I said, do not judge me. This is basically my first time actually attempting to trim my hair, and I just refused during these, you know, times, pandemic times, to just go to a hair salon. I know y'all see me have my nails done, but that's different in a sense. It's not, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. I kind of do not trust people with my hair. One time I had someone trim my hair when I first started going natural, and she trimmed too much of my hair, and my hair was uneven. So after that, I'm really skeptical of who put their hands in my hair. The last girl who did cut my hair, well, trim my hair for my birthday, she did an awesome job, but her schedule was a little off, and I don't really have time to go during her time. So yeah, so here I am. And I know you're supposed to like cut it at an angle, and then I've seen some girls do it with their comb and try to do it, but when I get to this side, it's really hard to do that. So I try to do it the best way I can. So like I said, don't y'all come for me in the comments. Don't. Because y'all already have little things that y'all be saying sometimes. And I get it, you know, everybody do things a certain way. But hey, I don't need the critiques. Do not need the negativity. You can leave that to yourself. Okay, so let's see where this one is. It's here, so. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair after you see me do the hair mask treatment, the leave-in conditioners and oils and trim. So this is my hair, and it feels so soft and thick, and I really needed that trim, guys. Like, my ends look so much better. Yeah, it looks super dry, but you see how easy it is for me to comb through my freaking hair. Like, so easy to comb through my hair. And I cannot do this usually if my hair was below dried out like this. It will always be like some type of tension or something pulling in my hair. But yes, these are the final results of my hair. I love it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do to it, but if you would like to see what I'm going to do to my hair in the next video, please give me a comment down below. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you do like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.